Yes, how to turn your 1 gig RAM phone to run like a 3 gig RAM phone. Back in the days, I was using a 1 gig RAM phone to make my editing and do something things on the internet. So it was really frustrating because normally a 1 gig RAM phone cannot run like a 3 gig RAM phone. It's very slow. So I went in search on the internet and I found out a tips to turn your 1 gig RAM phone to run faster like a 3 gig RAM phone. So I'll be sharing with you my screen now how to do it. Let's go. Basically, what you will do here is to come over to settings as usual and you scroll all the way down to system. Once you tap on system, you scroll all the way down to developer option. On a normal Android phone, you won't see this developer option on it. So, but don't worry, I will show you how to bring this. Okay, let me just show you how to bring the developer option in place before I show you how to make your phone run faster using the developer option. Okay, let me just go back now. So here's how to do developer option. How to bring out to developer option. You come on a bad phone, then you tap on this build number here. You tap on it like 5 times. You triple tap or double tap. Then with it will pop up something like password to put your password. Once you input your password, it will show you're already a developer. But now I'm already a developer, so I can't do that again. But once you are doing it as a new user, or you are really coming to become the new developer, it will show you to put your number, your password, your input pass, your passcode, the one that you use to lock your screen. So once you input it, you become a developer. So let's go back now. So once you have become a developer, you come to the developer option here. Once you are in the developer option, you scroll all the way down to where you see transition animation scale. Can you see it? Transition animation scale. This transition animation scale, as you can see here, my own is in 5x. Once you buy your Android phone, all Android phone is in 1x. So you just put it in 5x. Put all in 5x. Put all in 5. Can you see my own is in 5x? But once you are there, once you are doing it as a new user, don't will be here. All of them will be in 1x. So you just have to take it from this 1x and put it in this 5x. So that's how we did. That's how we do it, and your phone will run faster than usual. Okay, just try it, and I see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.